Doeguling Leg.
Hi, I'm Tashi.
And my name is Tenzin.
And welcome to Doeguling Tibetan settlement. And you're about to step into a place where the ancient Nalanda tradition is practiced and the Tibetan culture is flourishing.
Please. The Doeguling Tibetan settlement has been around almost 50 years. Back in 1966, then Chief Minister of Karnataka, Nichalingappa, offered 4,000 acres for the Tibetan people to reside in Monkot area. Then, during that time, almost like 4,000 settlers coming out of Tibet from cold areas in a high altitude to a low altitude jungle. The transition was not easy at all.
다 고르나 되는 강한 체조 가래자요 그래서 나도 추디 통주며 다 통마통마 가도 니네 독주지 주고도 디 독주디에 메카자까지 가르통을 저 니네 야고도 디 휴지들 독주다 나 딜페 나사 용해요.
So here in our Monkot, we have around 17,000 people living here, Tibetan people living here. This makes us one of the largest Tibetan settlements in the world. Out of 17,000 people, half of them are lay people and half of them are monks. So the question arises, what do the lay people do? First of all, most of people here are farmers, so they grow rice, maize to sustain their lives. Nowadays, there are young entrepreneurs coming up, so you can see them engage in scrap collection and others engage in sweater businesses, incense selling and so on.
The other half of the population lives in the monasteries, and as you could see in the background, it is Rathe Monastery. Satya! 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 Put it down! Satya! Come on! Thank you, Joenpa! Nyingma Monastery! Loseling Monastery, Sharse Monastery, Kanden Changze Monastery. The monks live a life dedicated to follow the path of Buddha, meditating, praying, chanting, debating, all in the ancient style of Nalanda tradition. While debating, they do this kind of thing. Tsa!
The Nalanda tradition dates back almost 1500 years ago here in India, where one of the greatest universities for spiritual learning and realization flourished for 7 centuries. Many of these traditions spread and were preserved in Tibetan monasteries. In total, there are over 9 monasteries and 1 nunnery here, including Gandhi and Drepung, 2 of the most prestigious monastic learning institutions. And people from all over Tibet and world come to study here.
Friends, don't forget about the rich culture. We have over 5 decades maintained many of our traditions and language. We still care for elderly in old age home. We still practice our traditional medicine. We sing Tibetan opera. We have handicraft center also. We have Tibetan food like momo, very tasty. Let me take a try. Shimbadu.
because it is very beautiful. Thank you. I love Doeguling because I was born here. Thank you.
I love Doeguling because there are many monasteries. Thank you.
We are